What the hell? What the hell? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time hopping on this channel, I hope that you like this video enough to actually subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and without wasting any of your guys' time, because I know what you clicked this video for, we are gonna go straight into the video. So this is a Shein review, you guys. This is a Shein hair review. I got hair from Shein a week ago. Yes, ordered on the 2nd, and it got delivered on the 10th. Yes, it got delivered on the 10th. So it pretty much took 8 days, which was very fast. They used a courier company called Ascendia, which was the very first time I ever hear of that company, because I was so used to Buffalo or Aramex, but I always got Buffalo. So I'm happy with their new courier company that they're using. Everything went smooth, there was no hiccups and everything. It was very fast. And going into how much I paid, so this hair, initially when I placed my order, right, I wanted to get 2 wigs, right? So it was this one and a long wig, right? So to my mistake, I didn't notice that I'm ordering blended hair, which was the second one. This is 100% human hair. So the second one, as soon as I paid, that's when I noticed. So luckily they managed to refund me. I cancelled the long wig and they refunded me the amount, the difference. So this hair I got for like 318, and then the other wig was 605, but I didn't get it because it's blended hair, and I wasn't willing to risk, because what if I didn't like it? What if it gave synthetic hair? I wasn't about to deal with that, so I just cancelled that one overall, right? So this one is a 10-inch 100% human hair, 150 density, and it's a 13x4 closure, 100% human hair. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I am not happy at all. Well, let's give it like maybe like 6 out of 10, because I feel like, number one, I did see that it's 150 density, but it's so thin, like it feels like there's literally nothing on my hair, which is nice, but it's very thin. That's the first one. Number two, the wig on its own is small. As you can see, I did try to sort of install, but I think also because my head is kind of big, don't come for me, because of my forehead, but it's very small. I will see next time when I like install it, but I am not happy at all. This is how it looks on this side. I really tried to finish it, but I am not happy. Number three, the knots are so big. Like, it's giving, I really tried to make it look more like natural and stuff, but this hair, honestly, but also I feel like when I got the hair, right, it was on sale. I used the 60% code. If you guys didn't know, it's been trending on TikTok. There's people sending out different codes for 60% off, 80% off, 50%. So I tried one of them and it worked, and unfortunately I don't remember the code, but it worked for me. That's why I wanted to get 2 wigs. And another thing that I'm not happy about with this one is that it came in a plastic. Like, I got hair last year from Shein and it was in a cute box, and everything was like, you even got you got a comb, you got, what else did you get? What was in the box? You get glue, you get wax stick, but in this one I only got this, and I got 2 what do you call them? Wig caps. Yes, wig caps. So that's another thing, but I guess it depends on the vendor that you buy from, because when I look at this, it looks like it's from You Sexy Hair. I don't know, that's what I think. And I tried straightening this side. Yeah, it's giving me so much trouble. Like, it's not laying flat as compared to this side. And another thing that I'm not happy about is the flyaways. That's why I didn't put any wax, because I wanted you guys to see I wanted you guys to see my honest review. It has so many flyaways that like I'm just like I hope this wig lasts me at least a few months, because what the helly what the helly. Okay, and then that was like the fourth thing that I don't like. What else don't I like? The texture is quite good. It's very soft. I like the texture. Yes, it's worth the price, but compared to the one that I got last year, that hair is very nice, you guys. It's been a year, but it's still so nice. So on this one, I am not happy. I'm gonna give this hair a 6 out of 10 because it's honestly not it. And the lace is very thick as well. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see from here. The lace is quite thick, which makes it very hard to work with. But I really like tried to kind of make it natural. I don't know. And it's that type of lace that will like show, like it will show that there is the lace. So I am not like 100% mad. I don't know, would I get it customized? I don't think so, because I feel like the more you're gonna pluck and everything, it makes the lace to ruin faster, I think. But yeah, I just installed it for the very first time today, and I can still wear it because this is supposed to be my birthday hair. But I really don't know. Tell me guys what you think. Tell me what you think and be honest. Let me just show you the back. It is honestly not that bad, but compared to the hair that I got last year, this is not it. I am not happy. I'm not entirely happy, but we'll see what works. I think I've seen some videos, I've seen people say you must cut the ends, like the corners of the hair, to make it kind of fit your head, but we'll see. We'll just see. But I think that's everything. This was my honest review of this hair, you guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, just in case you would like to purchase it, or just in case you don't purchase it, or just in case you don't make the mistake of purchasing this hair. I'm also just gonna leave a picture on the screen. I will see the next time I install how it's gonna look. I will try just to like shift it in the front, but overall, yeah, no. Would I purchase this again? No, I wouldn't. But yeah, you guys, I just thought I should just let you guys know what I think of this hair and just give you guys an honest review on hair that I got from Shein. I hope this video was very informative. I hope it helps if you are planning on buying hair from Shein anytime soon, and I really hope that you like it. Please give it a big thumbs up down below, and please tell me what you think or recommend anything that I can do to make it more seamless. I think I'm quite, if I do say so myself, I'm quite good at installing my own hair. So yeah, you guys, this is how I look. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Please don't leave without liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.